Dear students, we have studied climate, soil and natural vegetation lesson in the previous part. Now let us discuss about question and answers of this lesson. Let us start with fill in the blank questions. There are 5 fill in the blank questions are given here. Let us discuss one by one. Question number 1. The month of dash and dash and dash form the summer season. So here we have to find out the period of summer season. We know that March to May, period of summer season. So answer is March, April and May. Question number 2. The season with heavy rainfall is dash. During which season Karnataka receives heavy rainfall? During rainy season. During rainy season, Karnataka receives more than 80% of an annual rainfall. So answer is the rainy season. Question number 3. Extensively soil found in North Karnataka is dash. What type of soil can be seen in northern part of Karnataka? Black soil. Mainly we can see black soil in northern part of Karnataka. So answer is black soil. Question number 4. The area that has evergreen forest is dash. Answer is the Western Ghats and Malnad. Question number 5 and last one. The district that has largest forest area in Karnataka is dash. One of the Malnad district has largest forest area. Which one? Uttara Kannada. So Uttara Kannada has largest forest area in Karnataka. So answer is Uttara Kannada. Now let's go to second main. Discuss in groups and answer the following questions. First question. Name the 4 seasons of Karnataka. So we have to write 4 climatic seasons of Karnataka. First one, the summer season. Period of summer season is March to May. Second one, the rainy season, June to September. Third one, the period of retreating monsoon, from October to November. Fourth and last climatic season is the winter season, December to February. So these 4 are climatic seasons of Karnataka. Second question, write a note on the rainy season in Karnataka. So you have to write note on rainy season in Karnataka. Answer is like this. The rainy season is also known as the season of southwest monsoon winds. The Western Ghats check the moisture-laden winds blowing from the Arabian Sea, resulting in heavy rainfall. Agumbe is an area of heavy rainfall. It is called Chirapunji of South India. Bhagamandal and Hulikal are the other places of heavy rainfalls. Nayakanhatti near Challakere in Chitradurga records the lowest rainfall during the rainy season. So this is short note on rainy season in Karnataka. Now question number 3. Mention the types of soils in Karnataka. Mainly there are 4 types of soils can be seen in various part of Karnataka. They are red soil, second one black soil, third one laterite soil and fourth one coastal alluvial soil. Next one, question number 4. Name the types of natural vegetation in Karnataka. Again, 4 types of natural vegetations are there. They are evergreen forests, deciduous forests, mixed forests, and last one, grassland and shrubs. So these are 4 different types of natural vegetations can be seen in Karnataka. Next question, question number 5. Why is Karnataka known as the land of sandalwood? You have to write reason. For what reason Karnataka is known as the land of sandalwood? Answer is Karnataka has a rich diversity of plant species. Sandalwood is a special tree grown in forests of Karnataka. Perfume, objects with intricate carvings, soap and medicines are manufactured from sandalwood. They are popular all over the world and hence are not only supplied to other part of the country but also exported to foreign countries. Therefore, Karnataka is known as the land of sandalwood. Why Karnataka is known as land of sandalwood? Because Karnataka is the leading producer and leading exporter of sandalwood in India and it has more demand. Due to this reason, Karnataka is known as land of sandalwood. Next question, question number 6. Name the wild animals in our forest. You have to name prominent wild animals of Karnataka. Answer, the wild animals in our forests are tiger, leopards, boars, bison, stags, deer, bear and porcupines. So these are Prominent wild animals can be seen in forests of Karnataka. What is leopards? Chirate. Boars means wild pigs. Bison, kademme. Stags. Male deers are called stags. Bear, you know that karadi. Porcupines means mulluhandi. Let us go to last part, match the following. Look at here, there are two columns, column A and B. Column A has 4 words and column B has 5 words, but any one word will remain out of the group in column B. Now, let us find out right answer. First one, Adichunchanagiri. What's its suitable word in column B? Adichunchanagiri has prominent peacock sanctuary. So, 1D. Adichunchanagiri, its suitable answer is peacock sanctuary in column B. Second one, Mandagadde. Mandagadde famous for a bird sanctuary. So second one, 2A. Second one, Mandagadde, its suitable answer is bird sanctuary. Third one, Nagarhole. Nagarhole has most prominent national forest. So third one answer is B in column B. Fourth and last one, sandalwood tree. We know that can be seen sandalwood trees, especially in deciduous forest. So fourth one answer is deciduous forest. So these are question and answers we studied in this part. So all of you neatly write down these all question and answers in your classwork. Let me check your classwork in school time. Thank you.